How to create Hamster Kombat account. So if you want to create your Hamster Kombat account, then first of all you need to have a Telegram account. So if you don't have a Telegram account, then simply go and open up your Telegram or install the Telegram from your Play Store or your App Store, and make sure to create an account. And once you've created, you need to open up your Telegram and log into your account. Once you've logged in, now go for the search, which is on the upper right side, and then you need to search for Hamster Kombat. Once you search here, you will have the Hamster Kombat, right? Simply tap on it and then tap on start, which is on the bottom. And once you tap on start, now you need to go for play, which is here on the bottom left. Tap on the play option and then tap on start. And this will launch a website. And now you just need to simply follow the steps, and you need to tap on next, which is on the bottom right, and tap on play, and you will have this kind of interface, right? So from Telegram, it has already created your account. So here on the upper side, you can see that your name has appeared, right? So that means your account has already been created. So your account has been created, right? So to earn money, what you need to do is simply tap on hamster and your coins will increase. Or you can simply go for the earn option, which is on the bottom right, and then you can earn more coins by the hamster YouTube daily task, or you can also join the channels if you want the coins. You can also go with airdrop, which is on the bottom right, and then you can connect to your Ton wallet, and it will be easy for you to do the task. Or you can also go with the mini games, the daily combo, and you can play all of the games. So you can go with settings, which is on the upper right, and then you can go for choose exchange. And once you tap on it, you can choose any one of these options to exchange your coins with money. So you can simply go with play, and then you'll be able to have the Hamster Kombat. So go for the earnings or the exchange, which is here on the bottom left, and then tap on hamster and you'll be able to earn money. So in this way, you can create your Hamster Kombat account and earn money. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.